Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and today we are going to discuss about very important topic that is psychology in 21st century. When we are talking about psychology in 21st century, we can see that it has evolved into a more integrative, interdisciplinary, and globally conscious field. Why it is more integrative? Because it combines multiple approaches. What are that approaches? That is sociocultural approaches, biological approaches, behavioral approaches, and cognitive approaches. Whereas it has become interdisciplinary because it is touching different discipline that is education, that is economics, that is sociology, anthropology, and other field as well. And it has become globally conscious because it is talking about the culturally sensitive psychological issues. So it has embraced technology also, diversity also, and holistic approach to understand human behavior. We are here to discuss psychology in 21st century. That means what are the overview of the major trends, status and future prospects. Number 1, increase public visibility and application. Number 2, shift to biological and pragmatic approaches. Number 3, the role of evolution and comparative psychology. Number 4, diversity and ethical concerns. Let us know them in brief. Number 1, increased public visibility and application. Psychology has become more increasingly popular and relevant with its terminology and findings. It has evolved in general public discourse, the media, and various sectors like counseling and education. Even people are using digital mental health tools, AI derived or driven diagnostic tools to support mental health issues. Cyberpsychology has been introduced to know how social media positively or negatively harms human behavior and their mental health. Where we can know that there is much more increment in the public visibility. Now people are realizing it is not just about the stigma that we carried regarding the psychology, but yes, it is really important to understand mental health and mental health issues. Number 2, shift to biological and pragmatic approaches. The field is moving away from the traditional psychodynamic theories, which was founded by Sigmund Freud. Now it has shifted to the biological and brain based research. We can understand about this major discipline that is neuroscience. So, it is heavily aided or supported by the advances in computer technology, where we do the data processing and statistical analysis. Psychological field has become more pragmatic because it's applying its findings to real world issues across various disciplines. It can be law, where eyewitness testimony is done, criminal profiling is done. The next discipline is industry and education, where personal assessment is done, where one can know the personality of the person. Job prediction is done, which one is suitable. And it has also taught the field like politics to understand about the focus groups, campaign messaging. Third is the role of evolution and comparative psychology. So, talking about the evolutionary and comparative psychology, they are highlighted for their attempts because they are trying to bridge the gap between biological and social sciences. How? By studying adaptive function, evolution, and development. So this includes investigating like the influence of long media, that is culture, memes on behavior, how it is influencing the behavior of the people who are using mobile social media and the culture, the memes that are produced in the social media. Number four, that is diversity and ethical concern. So, if you talk about the historical representation, there was underrepresentation, there was discrimination faced by human and minorities in the field. But now, in psychology, in 21st century, women and minorities, they have been acknowledged. Also, in 21st century, psychology is emphasizing the critical need for increased diversity in curricula. It is not just Western based. There is huge research. There is different faculty to serve better serve a multicultural population. So in conclusion, what we can say is that psychology is moving toward an ethical framework, shifting the focus from mere technical output, that is bottom line, to the crucial question of when and how psychological knowledge should be used to benefit society. So here is my suggestion to the psychological students or educators. Please see this article. So this article has like detailedly talked about the psychology in 21st century, and this article is really beneficial if you want to know about psychology in 21st century. Thank you for listening and watching my video.